It's like I've always wanted one of those romantic type dudes. You know the ones that like send you flowers and talk to you for hours.
So today is a new week, and I must say it is a blessing just to be here. The best part, well, I know in my 19 years of living that the best part in being alive is learning something new every day. It's up to you to take advantage of it. But today we are going to work in retail with some fabulous ladies with some fabulous apparel, merchandise, and it's a blessing to be here. Working in retail has got to be one of the hardest things I have ever done in my life, but it's building character and I'm staying strong, okay? Most definitely, but oh my lord. Oh my lord, I just have to trust the process. Later on, you know, for my biography, I gotta let people know, you know, that I've been through different areas of my life. I've been in different situations. I've been in different jobs. You know, it builds character. We're so tired. We're about to go film. There are no days off, okay? We want to become the best videographer that we can be. So yeah.
Sleepy eyes don't sleep at night, but love it till the morning. Wake me up before I die so I could roll another. Like on my soul that when I go I got the pre-roll on me. Pray and hope before I do I knew somebody loved me.
Weepy eyes and sleep at night, roll over till the morning. Wake me up before I die so I can roll another. On my soul that when I go I got the pre-roll on me. Pray and hope before I do I knew somebody loved me.
Okay, so 1 and 2. No, you.
So did you go to school for
I would
music?
like for it to be right in it.
For sex,
How
every
morning like it's 9:52 and I got a paper due at 12:40. How you ever let it get like that?
Finished the video today and we like it. I've been working on it all day, but it's good. It's really good. No days off, because days off are for the ones that have reached their goals. We've been only manifesting. So, indeed. But it was a very eventful day. We still tired.
I have people ask me why I don't like to go out and take days off and have fun. I'm editing. I'm somewhere editing. I'm somewhere bettering myself. Each day is a day to become a better you. Okay? Each day. There are no days off. There's always work to be done. Always.
Wake me up before I die so I can roll another. On my soul that when I go I got a pre-roll on me. Pray and hope before I do I knew somebody loved me.